Michigan, what a state for golf. I mean, I must say that's the home of golf in America. You know, I won the PGA at Oakland Hills there and played a lot in Michigan, and those fans, they just love their golf.
And they're insane.
You brought up Oakland Hills. There's been talk here of the course trying to get another major soon. Your overall thoughts on Oakland Hills, its place in the golf landscape, and do you believe it deserves another major soon here?
It certainly does. It's one of the great golf courses of the world, and besides that, Michigan, this great state for golf, they really deserve a major championship because they've done so much for the sport. But it's a very sports state, isn't it? I mean, people just love their sports. I mean, it's fantastic.
Indulge me on your fondest memory at Oakland Hills. What was that experience like winning at Oakland Hills, maybe specifically that made that course, that day, that tournament so special?
Well, we ended up the last day and there were 5 of us within 1 stroke with 4 holes or 5 holes to play. And I got to the 16th hole and the flag was right next to the water and I was in the rough. And in the practice rounds, I hit a ball and I remember where my divot was. And my ball was right opposite in the rough and I knew exactly what I hit. And I went for the flag because when you finish second, only your wife and your dog know about it. That's if you've got a good wife and a good dog. And I hit the ball 3 foot from the hole and won the tournament. And I was so proud to win the PGA at this great golf course. Ben Hogan, the greatest golfer that ever lived, said when he shot 67, I brought the monster to its knees.